Hello everyone, it's Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and this 5-minute tip video is all about Gmail templates. They used to be called canned responses, so I'm going to show you if you are sending the same email over and over and over again, you can use templates. Again, they used to be called canned responses. So first of all, you have to go turn on templates. So we're going to come to the gear, go to settings, and then we're going to go to advanced. So you need to turn on templates. If it's disabled, click enabled. If it's already enabled, then you're good to go. And then scroll down and hit save. These are some other labs, is what we used to call them, that you can turn on. So you may want to just come check this out and see if it's something you want to test out. But we're going to click this to enable it and hit Save Changes. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So I'm going to come here and hit Gmail to get back to my inbox. And I'm going to come here to Compose. So I'm going to act like this is an email that I'm sending all the time. Hello. Please make sure your student is doing the online work. They have to do, I'm just going to put a little line here and put a little line here, period. Thanks. Oh, I can't spell my own name. All right, there we go. All right, so this is the email that I'm sending over and over and over again. I just want to use it as a template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the email in here. Now, I will say that if you have a signature in Gmail, what you want to do is delete the signature. The reason for that is when the template is put in the email, your signature will also be added. So you don't want double signatures here. So if I had a big old nice signature right here, I would delete it for my template. So I'm going to come here to the hot dogs, the skinny snowman, the 3 dots, and notice I have a place for templates. So I want to save the draft of this email as a template. Save as new template. I'm going to call this online work. Please excuse my really poor typing today. And hit save. That's all I have to do. This is now a template. So I'm going to click off of this and I'm going to act like I want to use the template. So I'm going to come here to compose, go back to my hot dogs, go to templates, and now I want to use one of these templates. So I'm going to click use the online work template. What? Notice it's all here. So now all I have to do are fill in these blanks and I'll be good to go. Notice that it put the subject as the title of my template. So if you want that, you want to name your templates the subject so you don't have to go and fix that, right? The less you have to type, the better. So that's how you use templates. If you come back here to templates, you see that, these are all of the ones that I've created that I can insert. I have my draft, and then I can delete templates. So if I say, hey, I don't need this sample template anymore, I can just click it. It does verify. I can say delete, and now that's no longer a template. So that's your 5-minute tips for using templates. They do save time, so you don't have to keep singing and typing the exact same stuff over and over and over again. You can use templates. And if you hear someone saying canned responses, what am I saying when I say that? Canned responses. It has updated to templates. So this is the same thing as canned responses. I think templates are a little bit easier to use. Canned responses was pretty easy, but I think templates clarified it and made it even easier. So that's how you use templates. Good luck with everything and have a great rest of your day.